Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and we're going to see Choppy Brown this morning. So do journey with us, please do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright. Wow.
Fish with Chappy.
I carry silver fryers for Chappy.
Yes.
That's the only type of fish they did have this morning at the shop. Yes, so I realize. Oh, they move the board. Then dump it up with dirt, that's why. The little makeshift board thing. Chappy hear the car alarm and come down off the hill and probably thinks that we are blowing if we come down or something. Pure mud. Have to be very careful or we slide back down the hill.
Yes.
Muddy.
Welcome down, Yafa. Huh?
Same thing. You hear a car blow and think we are blowing him.
Fio?
Yeah. I'm saying I go plan them over long the sun or start going already, but never going good to the car. Then man come fine say I want to come for the young brother and I'll give him half. I want to go see me find it.
Well then, come back for them?
Come back to his come back to his.
Somebody they got Chappy cocoa when he got a doctor.
Yeah, him give you him. Fine with the man and plan go. You want to come back for it. That means somebody said somebody else in that room.
Somebody will know about it?
Yes, and I cook soup and you can get in that one. Because you know, the planting over them, I get one when you down one root of coconut or cook soup, you get everything.
Choppy morning.
Morning. Bush where does that come from, you know?
Yeah?
I'm going to leave up one bag for a minute, can't turn it. I take on pins really quick. Can't turn it out to do that. I didn't say one banana sucker, I must see 2 bananas sucker for me. Go on, go and say I take up. I go full one bag. I see one left and I say, you know, come back over for it. I put in there, I come and say, and Papa finish.
Papa.
I kill a Chappy bag if I must smash up a Chappy bag of your face.
Something sticky in your neck.
Maybe I must pull her.
Just slide across your minute back yourself. He come out and I say, okay, I was here, you know, carry some Chappy across here. Right in yourself. Come on, take some water with Chappy. I go in, I cook cocoa in here. I say we are going to hot up here and make one cup of tea. Because he say I go early, sister come, so I left out early now to go. We go help the wife. Get trained sister, pay more than her. So go on. Thanks, sir.
So what you say happen with you now, Chappy? You say happen with you?
Pain in my neck, yeah.
Where did say I got the doctor the other day?
Oh yeah, me got a doctor, you know, me say, me you know, doctor said me go lose so much. Me tell him, say, sometimes I feel my heart a beat hardish. So me go take blood test. Me go take blood test and me go and do. Me want teeth, yeah, me it's corner teeth. 2 dentists, me go ahead and they put me in and I light us if you take out it. I say you can't take out it for if you take out it, then if you go to me, I will do X-ray. I will X-ray already, do it. I take a blood test. And they say heart test, nobody now work down there. I hope find my way to Sparling, you know, and they give me one test, one of the people say me was do. Something like, alright, so you want to test, like what's a stomach test do?
Ultrasound?
Ultrasound. And so I got a private doctor.
So which part you did go to the, where you went to the doctor?
Falmouth.
Oh, Falmouth. Oh.
I'm at 25. Somebody them I do a day. I have to reach. I go put it teeth one security. I'm a reason they show me. I have to hire Shane. He did a good on him. His mother did a good on me. Say 12, but he get 9. Even though I want 4 grand still, but alright. Never know so much.
So you don't get triple the teeth?
You know, I say, since I take the extra teeth, I took me to a couple of times. And I took me from after I stand, you know. So the extra now for sure, they give me one CD, cassette, or CD, if you go to the town now, run off, you make them know what happened. So it's
boy.
like you see, when you see like the extra, new extra they make. When new what? Extra, yeah, extra something.
What make them say teeth can't pull out?
You know, I say wisdom teeth.
So they don't have anything for
And them
teeth.
can't pull the teeth, man.
And if you broke, you know, nothing with take out it.
If it,
You remember when I come to school? I go down there, a lady white over him.
You know a dentist who can't take out that, man.
Don't so.
No much.
If they don't take out one, you so.
The best dentist that,
And cut out, oh God, in rough, but it's so long either.
But when he take out, he come out.
He come out.
Anything broke off in them, I take out.
And you know, say, yeah, like, yes, he get out, but I don't know how them have nothing. And them I do, I go
None of them get training.
Yeah. Can you say a time when change for that in change for some years? So them all slit it, you know.
That's a way to get money off of you.
Yeah, pay.
So you're not going to pay for the x-ray.
No, I'm not paying either.
So you're not going to pay for read the cassette.
No, not paying either.
Chappy, you cooking?
Yeah, I thought you chop.
Oh, check your pot. Come here, say what?
I cook one when you cook.
You cook on saltfish and sardine.
Oh, a coconut smell so.
I thought it,
Coconut smell like onion and stuff.
So you cook for dinner.
you know, say me not thought of that yet.
You just are going to deal with breakfast first.
Yeah. and so let me not pay for none of them still. When say me how pay for
The ultrasound.
yeah, go a private doctor.
Just say money come in.
So me don't know about it. When it can happen, so it will happen if it happen, you know. This is what I want, I first do all I can't do that anything, if you know.
Well, I say eat fish, Chappy.
Yeah, I say a long time, I'm going to climb now fish.
If you make me go eat them, go catch fish, man.
Fish head meat, boy, so good fish head.
Oh.
And
Me go eat them, go
the
catch fish.
$200 a pound, and since then get back, it cost $280. I say,
Raise up.
I buy a bullet 2 times and go back at 150.
So how much is it for when you go there first time?
$100 for bullet. And we're going to put on $50 more fast.
So much can I go for one time?
One time.
Boy.
Biscuit, everything, me say,
Price will go up.
Almighty. That's crazy.
We bring you 2 fish this morning though.
You don't want to give thanks, no.
See it here.
Yeah.
And see the fish seasoning with it.
Thank you very
Now we
much.
carry some groceries and some beans and stuff.
Respect, man. Man. Expect it to enjoy with you, man. Now go on, you know. So you have to just go on and
Yeah.
pull it down and see what can happen. You see me? Yeah. I didn't know that she was say so. And say when I didn't know that she was.
Yeah.
Put it. Yeah, no, I'm here. Thanks, man. Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. You okay, come.
Well, some thing that they need some raisin stuff.
Yeah.
Cranberry, you know, it and raisin. Cranberry. It's only a small
pack raisin.
Sachet.
Yeah, pack.
Stuff, yeah.
So small pack in there.
Raisin.
A cranberry. Dry cranberry.
Yeah.
So you can just eat the same way. Or if you mix oat sauce and you put it in there.
Okay.
Macaroni and cheese in there too. You know, so you have visitors sometimes, so you can give them if you don't want.
I give it nobody.
Yeah?
I give it no one.
And those are from our donors. You hear, Chappy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks. And thank you, donors, them.
Yes, man.
Always look out for me.
Yes.
They enjoy area. God bless them.
Yes, man.
God bless them, too.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, you know that.
God bless everybody, too.
Yeah.
So let's give thanks and go on.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Chappy. So you say I feel better? You feel better than you did feel before you got the doctor?
Yeah. Me go back in 19, me never feel now. One little pill, me never feel, and then give me some tablets. I mean, just take one little while for me feel me neck.
Oh.
I'm telling him when give me the plan, and him tell him say only one thing me I feel like sometimes me have to chocolate fast like you feel it. But sometimes I can't guess too.
Turn down your chocolate, man.
That me do. I say alright, and give me the paper then for what it is. I say alright. Just me no money, I say no money like to go up and down, you know. So me have 4 appointments to go on for month. So me extra and try to double up them now 1.
Yeah.
Well, me work out 3.
Yeah. So just one you never get today, you gotta do a swallowing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
One, I get it.
Okay.
So thanks, dear.
Yeah.
So tomorrow now, I say me now go back on the doctor and say come early one day when I come. That means me know him out when say come early. I want to pick back on it, but me feel the teacher joke me from yesterday morning. You know if it go make no abscess or this or that.
Because when it's a joke, you can take out it.
That in a force support. I abscess will bring. When yesterday morning I get up and I feel me use Sagiarix and rub it. I go in there, so I feel it. I must since morning feel it.
Your teeth not supposed to joke you, you know? Your teeth not for joke you. Are you for joke you?
I'm a joke about clips of Garrix. I kind of feel it quiet down. So I say,
There's a hole in it.
You know, I say, I mean, if it's inside, but it just half of it, it up some half by one side of it just gone. So.
Oh.
Oh, that's why they don't want to pull it because part of it gone.
And it's a
Yeah,
shake.
maybe.
It's a shake.
One part of it a shake and one part not shake.
Oh, so that's why them say if it break off, because maybe the part in the gum is still strong. But that part where him say cut out might break the top off the bottom.
I will show you. It might be then cut that the side where teeth be sprung. You make it come up.
Oh wow.
Anything. And plan to me, I say, me go down tomorrow. You know, still I joke me now over.
If it's a joke, you now go.
Now over. If it's a joke, if it's a happen, it might be now one pull it.
Yeah.
You know. You put treatment originally, you know. As if even a kid feel, you know.
But if you want to come out and you just don't say nothing, just make that take
I
out.
tell him nothing. Nothing me ever smoke when I see. I piece more garlic and rub it, bro. And come on, I so full out it.
Yeah, man.
Last year, September, I had me like a cheat at me one time. After I storm, I get a ease.
Yeah.
The storm frighten him. After I storm, I get
How long
a
time it bother you do, man?
The one in the hot, you know? But at the time, you know, it hurt me at the time.
Oh, okay.
One next one pass away broke. It hurt me. Because when the boy licked me this stone, one day I saw shaking up. About 15 years in there shaking in a move. I never had me till that time there.
Oh.
I made one dumpling and it broke. After it broke off in there now.
Dumpling too tough.
So me say, so me make 2 or 4 dumplings and me a go road. Come back, I say, which one is dumpling? If me dumpling and I broke my teeth. You try to dumpling me, you cook up. Cook up. This is dumpling, I must have broke my teeth. Tough, man. Tough, you know?
Yeah.
Once you heal, you use make them.
I tell you, say, me know when dumpling get tough, so make tough for me, so man. Broke up, bust off his teeth, and half of it, and I'm out, half left. There, you know, youth.
Yeah, man.
So money, I know, if it runs on cement. Do I look at hustling down the side there, man? So I buy 10 bag of money.
Yeah.
Easy.
Sounds good.
Buy 10 bag and start to up back there, full up there, hold it now and level up. You see, you see if you can't let it in on this one, see what can happen.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on, man.
Soon finish. One day at a time.
Yeah, Likkle and too.
Yep.
It's like something I go on. And me kind of get ignorant on him with you. But me have to take back an offer. Me see same I look for him make a part, so
Yeah.
me part shit and up and over,
Yes.
I can't find it, so.
So I forgot get mad by here now.
Yeah, that's that. Yeah, I tell him, say, me will get this cement anyway. Say, alright, me fix what me can get, so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm work with you, man. I help you out
Yeah,
good.
I work with you, man.
Yeah.
I still know one around, if you say make people live, everyone can be possible, but that's one of our still.
Yes.
Alright, guys. Thanks so much to everyone. Thanks to our donors. Thanks to everyone who continue to support the work that we do. Until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. Chappy, me pick some of your pepper while I do attack.
Pepper, man. It's pepper tea, I just like since time it must be more 7 o'clock, you know.
Pepper always up on it.
No leaf never up on it, you know. And we lean up it. And find it up. If I put leaf that come on, pepper that come on.
Yeah.
I'm on 7 o'clock gone already.
Enough pepper there.
Have a lot of
It's
pepper.
low there now. One thing you know what how much every peeling skin I get.
That's why it appears so good.
I'm sure I it too. Most man you get in a top beer man. And any month we plant.
Yeah.
Half an hour.